All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Your boy Corey here, Real Men Get It Done. We're gonna talk a little bit about some beard care and do some product reviews. So let's get right into it. Real Men Get It Done. So this is a sponsorship with TEMU. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description so that y'all can get the hookup. But I do love having the opportunity to view products to give my honest opinion. And this nose hair trimmer is dope, y'all. And TEMU is giving an exclusive opportunity for you to get it for $1. But for real, for some of my bros, just like me, if you're hairy and you know you have extra hair, your sensitive areas, your nose, your earlobes, this is the tool for you because it not only has the nose attachment, but it has a couple other different attachments that are on there that makes it dope to get all the hair that are on some of the other spots that we have on our body. Since I'm always on the go, the gym ends up being one of my happy places where I can actually get my grooming done so I can get ready for the day. So as you can see, showing off this product, using it for my nose, then I'll also end up using it for my ear, inside my earlobes. I'm just a hairy guy, so I appreciate this tool and definitely want you guys to take advantage of being able to get it on Temu and right now for $1. Additionally, I'm trying a Temu item that I have on, this smock that actually helps get all the hair and deposit all the hair in this spot for easier cleanup. Also, I didn't mention that cleanup is very easy as well. All you gotta do is undo your attachment, run it through some water, and you're good to go to use it for the next go round. Moving right along, another dope product that I was able to get from Temu is a toothbrush. And again, this is dope because it has so many of the extra attachments. And for those, if you use electric toothbrushes, you know the extra attachments to get can get expensive. So this comes with literally like 8 different attachments. So you'll have this for a long period of time. And it just does a good job. I mean, it's electric, but it's also USB, and I thought that was real dope because the ones that I have been using previously all have been battery operated. So definitely a good tool to use and add it to your grooming arsenal. As I mentioned, your toothbrush, it comes with 8 attachments altogether. So typically you're supposed to change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. So by buying this toothbrush alone, you'll have enough attachments to last about 2 years, which is crazy. As I mentioned, it being a USB also is definitely a plus, so you're not swapping out batteries every time. Alright, so just showing a little bit of my process as I'm getting my bald head and my beard taken care of and introducing this silicone exfoliating pad, which is a must. If you've never exfoliated, you need to do it. It's important because exfoliating, what it does is buffing away and removing dead skin cells. So it's important for us to be able to do it as men. It'll allow your product to absorb into your beard. It'll allow your product to absorb into your bald head. And it's just something that's important to level up your grooming care for us being as men. So definitely get you an exfoliating pad. And that's really it. I wiped my beard, dried it off, getting my product in, and then finishing up with a few additional TEMU items. I love wooden products for the beard. It's just important. Sometimes I do use a plastic detangler comb, but the wood is where it's at. And then just following up with a brush. And this is a two-sided one, so pretty dope. So let me also highlight my bag that I got from TEMU that holds all of my grooming essentials, from my beard care to my head care. I really love this bag. It allows me to keep everything as a one-stop shop. It's all these different compartments to hold different things, keep things separated, keep things organized, and allows me to have the flexibility of having all of my tools and supplies on the go for like a day like today where I'm at the gym, or whether I'm at home getting my stuff done, or even if I'm on vacation. It's just a bag that I exclusively have for all of my grooming care, my beard care, my head care, which definitely is a must if you're as busy as I am.